Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to make a Funfetti cake. Let's begin. So a couple of weeks ago Grace Wicks requested that I make a confetti cake, so here you go. If you have any suggestions of your own, please leave them in the comments down below. To start this recipe off, you'll want to put your butter and sugar into your mixing bowl. I'm using my stand mixer, but you could use whatever you've got, and just cream the two together until light and fluffy in consistency and texture. Once you've achieved light and fluffy, you will then want to scrape down the sides and the bottom of the bowl to incorporate any bits that may not have been from earlier on. So next you'll want to add in your eggs one at a time, beaten well in between each addition. Don't worry too much if the mixture curdles a little bit when you add all of your eggs. So once all of your eggs have been incorporated and scraped down the side of your bowl, you can then add in your dry ingredients, sifting them first, and then mix that in just until combined. So don't forget to just scrape down the side of your bowl again to incorporate the flour that has worked its way up the sides. So next you'll want to add in your sprinkles. I'm using these rainbow ones, but you can use whichever you can get. These aren't from the supermarket, I ordered these online. I will leave a link in the description down below. You'll want to sprinkle them over and just fold them in until they're incorporated, being careful not to overmix so the colours don't bleed. I now add my vanilla. I forgot to add mine earlier, but you can always put it in with the eggs and then it's incorporated earlier on. So the next part is to split the mixture between your cake tins. I'm using 2. If you wanted to make more, you could always double the recipe and have a 4-layer cake. That's up to you. Roughly I got around 450 grams in each, but again you can work it to however much you put into each. So if you do alter the amount of cake mixture that goes into each tin, this will affect the baking times. So once your cakes are fully baked and cooled, you're ready to decorate. I sandwich my cakes together with a generous amount of some vanilla buttercream. I will leave a link to that in the description down below if you're interested in making it. I then add my layer of icing on top. I've decided not to go over crumb coat this time as I was a bit rushed for time, but if you've got time, always give it a crumb coat. And if you want to smooth it off, you can always use a scraper or whatever you've got to try and smooth out the sides as best you can. Again, any decoration is optional, but I decided to pipe some shells around the bottom as a border to hide up the ugly bottom bit. But again, you don't have to do this is optional. Because I had so much buttercream left over, I went a little bit crazy with the decoration on top. Again, who moaned about buttercream? Nobody. But yeah, you can decorate it however you like. As I've said, there's no right or wrong with how you want to decorate your cake. You can do more or less, whichever works best for you. I will leave all information, baking times, temperatures in the description down below if you are interested in making this. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me. I'll be uploading again next week, so if you have any suggestions, leave them in the description down below. Check out my social medias as I'm trying to post more on Instagram, but yeah, I keep forgetting. But yeah, thanks for watching, join me next week, bye guys.